What is up, y'all? It's been Jamming Outdoors. Today I'm headed to Port Richey, Florida. It's 4:30 in the morning and I'm exhausted, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it. There's a GSXR-1000 a guy has, and he really wants to get rid of it. So let's see if we can go get a good deal. What's up?
Nice truck.
I appreciate it. Yeah, it's offshore money.
This is
There
it.
she is.
So, what I was gonna do is put the handlebars, put this rear section right here,
Yeah.
and then just get it. Back rim's bent, and I believe the back tire's flat.
Okay. Swing arm.
But she's not good, but she's not that bad.
Yeah. Not. Well, I mean, in all reality, I've actually fixed a few bikes, and you never know what you're gonna find. Unfortunately,
Until you get in it.
it looked like it flipped quite a few times, or at least once, pretty good. That frame is bended.
how it's dented in
it's
a
did it in
little?
pretty good, yeah. That alone could huge problem. Yeah, that's gonna be. And if I can't, that's a $3,000 frame, unfortunately.
But yeah, I hear he had a motor and he sold the motor, I want to say for $1,600 or $1,800, just basic motor.
Yeah, I mean it's definitely worth more in parts for sure. But since since I like fixing things up, obviously to pristine condition if I can.
Right.
And the only problem is parts cost a lot of money too. So if I want to fix it up, it's like,
You gotta weigh out.
tanks on eBay go for $300 alone, and I still have to do some dent repair and paint it. So because they're not even pristine condition. So I think obviously, like I said, on eBay frames are going for freaking between $2,000 and $3,000
Wow.
for with a usable title. And headlights too. Typically, there's cheap eBay headlights for $50. These things are $200 on eBay, at least. I mean, I like it. It's definitely be a lot of work, a lot of time. Because I mean, I gotta TIG weld that, TIG weld I'm gonna probably end up TIG welding and try to build the frame.
Build the frame out and then.
I need to probably drill a hole, try to expand or pull it out, and then build it back up, and then sand it back down. That's gonna be a hell of a lot of work. I'm not a great TIG welder, so. Tell you what. Give you 1,000?
Oh, come on, man. Come on.
Well, I mean, honestly, even just the time alone to strip it all down.
Right.
That frame is scaring me, honestly. That's.
My ballpark was $1,250 to $1,750. I kind of wanted the $1,750,
Oh yeah, I couldn't get anywhere near that.
but I think the $1,250 is, man, you're stealing it. Clean title.
I mean, if I was selling in parts, it would be I could profit off of it, but
Right.
and I would still be able to profit off of it for sure. But the only problem is it's going to be a long time and a lot of parts, and because I mean, I got to touch the swing arm. I got to strip everything out of the frame, obviously.
Right.
Fix the frame, get the frame powder coated, which is going to be a couple $100. At very minimum, $300-400. And then obviously I got to spend a lot of time to fix the frame. And I don't even know if the front wheel's straight. The forks, obviously, they look straight, but they still could be slightly tweaked. There's no telling.
I think the cluster's a few $100, just the cluster itself.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. In parts, it definitely has value. Would you do 1,100? That's all I got right now. That's literally all I got. No bank has been open since we talked.
Can you do 12?
Yeah, again, that's 11 is all I got. I mean, again, the bank hasn't been open, so.
You gonna sell it back to me after you fix it?
I mean, if it's in a depends on what it is, I guess. It could be, 3, 4, 5 months down the road, depending on. Again, if I can get that frame to.
The wife would have calmed down by then, so I might be okay in 3 or 4 months.
Yeah. 1,100.
Killing me. You gotta have a little bit more in that pocket. You didn't drive this far.
No, I'll show you. I mean, because I gotta pay the other guy through Venmo to try to get. So I got that's $1,000. 50, 2, 4, 6. 20. So there's another, that's the 1100. So I had a little bit more.
What do you got more?
30 bucks. I'd like to have a little cash in my wallet.
All right. Oh man, I'm telling you, you could sell it to the guy you're going to right now.
He told me it was too much frame rash for him. That's why he didn't want to get it.
Here's the 2 bill of sales. They're not filled out or anything. And then here's the title.
Okay. And do you mind filling me a bill of sale, filling out a bill of sale for me too?
No, that's
like one of the actual Florida titles or
yeah,
Florida bill of sales.
God, you're gonna end up selling it to the parts guy you see.
No.
No?
No. It's honestly more for content for me.
Yeah?
Yeah, like I expect this to do really good on YouTube.
What's up, guys? So I got the bike back to the shop. I unloaded it and I'm looking it over right now. The bike's worth around $6,000 to $8,000 fixed up. I picked it up for about $1,100. It's a 2012 GSXR-1000. It's a pretty nice bike and I'm pretty excited to rebuild it. The biggest issue with it is going to be the frame. It has a big old dent in it, and so I'm going to have to repair that with my aluminum welder, build it back up and sand it back down. Other than that, it's mostly just bolt-ups that are wrong with it, like tank, subframe, swing arm, rear wheel, stuff like that. It's gonna be pretty good build, so I'm pretty excited about it, so y'all stay tuned for the rest of the videos.